With the Dow Jones Industrials up 61 points, we can throw stock names at you all day long, but how about these? The ones that don't get attention from the big brokerages, but that are winners. The $1.6 billion man, Tim Courtney, says these are overlooked names, key to your portfolio. He's the CIO at Exencial Wealth Advisors. Let's get to it. How do you find these names, Tim?
Yeah, well, these are all three companies that are, they're mid-cap names. They're around $4 to $9 billion, and so they just don't get the kind of attention that other large or mega-cap names get. But they're still large enough to be leaders in each one of their industries. Lance,
Brunswick, and CBRE Group. These are overlooked names, but is there something within all of them that you look for, whether it's the cash position or book value? You tell me what matters to you most.
Yeah, I think what matters to us most is that they have good management teams and that they're leaders in the industry. For example, Brunswick, one of the biggest producers of boats, recently, as cars have gone through a kind of a renaissance where a lot of cars on the road were old, there are a lot of old boats out there. And we're expecting that these boats will come back. The demand will be higher for them. They have a lot of good brand names like Sea Ray, Bayliner, and trading at relatively low prices.
We know them all. We know all those names. I got to quickly ask you, the Federal Reserve, do you see a rate hike in December, Tim?
Yes, this seems oddly eerie to 2015, where they talked about it and talked about it and talked about it, and then ended up raising rates at the end of the year when maybe it wasn't the best time. It looks like that's going to happen again in 2016.
Great to have you, Tim. Tim Courtney, Exencial Wealth Advisors.